Hello dear students and welcome to our English class. This is English for the 8th class and today's topic is revision. In this lesson we are going to do some exercises related to vocabulary and more specifically geography and city and country life. And also we are going to do some exercises related to grammar and more specifically about modals. Let's start with the first exercise. In this exercise we are going to underline the correct words. It's an exercise related to vocabulary. Let's start with the first one. Poor people lived in very housing in Britain 100 years ago. In very basic housing, kushte bazë të pjake. The second sentence, the archaeological museum displays a selection of writings from the ancient Egyptian industry or civilization. We say civilization. The third sentence, the building caught fire and burned after lightning hit it and burned down. Shkatërua u dojq. Number 4, employees worked in difficult conditions or situations in factories in the 19th century. In difficult conditions. Kushtet e vështira. It's the same in Albanian. The last sentence, Barcelona has a very lively nightlife. Not alive, gjall, lively. Let's move on with another exercise. Here, as you can see, we have the map of Italy. We have some cities, Palermo, Rome, Siena, Florence, etc. And we are going to use the correct word about their geographical location. So we are going to look at the map and write about the cities of Italy. The first one is done. Milan is in the northwest of Italy. Milan, northwest of Italy. Veri perëndim. Let's look at the second. Rome is in the west of Italy. Again, Rome is in the west of Italy. The third sentence, Palermo is in the southwest of Italy. Palermo, southwest of Italy. Number 4, Venice, where is Venice? Yes, is in the northeast of Italy. Number 5, the Dolomites are in the north of Italy. Dolomites. Number 6, Siena is of Florence. Be careful, not of Italy, but of Florence, is in the south of Florence. Pra, Siena në jug të Firences. The last sentence, Bologna is of Florence. Bologna of Florence is in the north of Florence. Në veri të Firences. Okay, in this exercise we have some pictures and these are places to visit. So we have castle, art gallery, opera house, beach, museum, stadium, square, theater, and circus. Okay, let's label the pictures together. The first one, what do you think? What is it? It's a stadium. So almost the same in Albanian, stadium. The second picture, it's a beach. Plazh, we say in Albanian. The third, it's a museum. Muse. The fourth picture, it's an art gallery, Gallery Artesh. The fifth picture, it's a theater. The sixth picture, it's a square. The Skanderbeg Square, for example, Sheshi Skanderbeg. The seventh, it's a circus, cirque. The eighth, it's written almost here, it's an opera house. And the last one, it is a castle, Berati Castle, for example. Let's move on with another exercise. Here we have a water park, and we are going to use the modal verbs, what we can, what we must or mustn't do at a water park. So, at a water park, you obey the safety rules. You must obey the safety rules. You are obliged to do that. Secondly, you wear swimming goggles. At a water park, you don't have to wear swimming goggles. We can't say we mustn't. Thirdly, at a water park, you run by the pools. You mustn't run by the pools. It's dangerous. Pra nuk mund të vraponi pranë pishinave. Number 4, at a water park, you listen to the lifeguards. You have to listen to the lifeguards. It's very important. You have to. You are obliged to do that. Number 5, you be a young child to enjoy yourself. You don't have to be a young child. You might enjoy yourself even though you are a grown-up. Okay, next exercise. Again, we have some modals: mustn't, can, might, don't have to, should have to. We are going to use these modals to complete the sentences. Let's try with the first sentence. If you are ill, you go to the doctor immediately. You should go to the doctor. It's a strong advice. Secondly, people drop litter in the streets. Drop litter, het letra. It's illegal. It's against the law. So people mustn't do that. It's against the law. Thirdly, they come if they don't want to. If they don't want to, they don't have to. It's not necessary. Number 4, Anna come to the cinema with me tonight if she finishes work early. If she finishes work, she might come. It's possible. Number 5, you lent me 10 pounds. It's a request. We use can. Can you lend me 10 pounds? And the last one, they be at work at 9 a.m. They have to. It's their duty to be at home at 9 a.m. For next time, you will have a homework assignment. You are going to write sentences that are true about the cities in our country. For example, the capital city, Tirana, is in the center of my country. And you also complete the other sentences. That was all for today. Thank you for your attention.